Let's solve a word problem about percentages using a table. We are told 80% of seniors take calculus. 60% of those calculus students also take physics, and 10% take neither class. We want the percent taking physics. To make the percentages easy, let's assume there are 100 seniors. 80% of 100 is 80 students taking calculus. Now, 60% of the calculus students also take physics. 60% of 80 is 48. So 48 students take both classes. We are also told that 10% take neither class. That is 10 students. Let's organize everything in a 2 by 2 table. We place calculus versus not calculus down the rows, and physics versus not physics across the columns. We already know 48 students are in both calculus and physics, and 10 students are in neither class, so that goes in the bottom right. The calculus row totals 80, so the calculus but not physics cell must be 80 minus 48, which is 32. In the not calculus row, the total is 20, since 100 minus 80 is 20, and we already have 10 in the neither cell, so the remaining 10 must be physics but not calculus. Now we can add the physics column. 48 plus 10 is 58. That means 58 students take physics. Since we assumed 100 students, that is 58%. So the correct answer is choice D, 58%.